What's going on, you guys? By the title and thumbnail of this video, I am going to be driving my dream car at the Porsche Experience Center of Los Angeles. I've had this scheduled for about like 2 months now, and if you guys follow me on Instagram, or if you guys don't follow me, I'll put it right here down below. I post like Porsche videos all the time and Porsche pictures all the time because like my dream car is the Porsche GT3, and I'm going to be driving the GT3. And I know this like experience is like really expensive, but I mean, I don't know if I'll ever be able to afford one day, but I mean, since it's like pretty local to me, I decided like why not go drive one and see how it's like, just in case. I mean, hopefully in like 2 years, 3 years, I'll be able to afford one, but I don't know, we'll see. I just hope you guys like today's video. This is so cool. Holy. Livery is sick. This is the one that they told me to get. It's the face plan one? That's sick. Alright, so I'm just waiting until I have a chance to drive the car. It's 11:40, but my appointment's at 12:30, and I live like an hour away from this place, so I just wanted to be early, and I wanted to check out the video, or check out the spot beforehand, because I've seen this place on TikTok, and they actually have a lot of nice cars in the lobby. It's just like, this is like Porsche heaven. There's so many like nice Porsches out here. And I'm like listening, like people are like launching the car. I mean, I hope they let me launch the car, I'm not too sure. But I'm pretty excited to take the car on the track. I mean, my mom doesn't know that I'm doing this. I haven't told her. I haven't really told many people that I was doing this for my birthday. And I think this, like, to me, it's like the best and funnest way to spend my birthday, because I really don't really do much for my birthday. I normally go get food with my mom or get food with my friends, which I'm like really, it's always really fun like getting food with them. But yeah, this birthday I wanted to do something special. But yeah, and then they said like there's no cameras inside the vehicle, which is understandable. It's like a safety thing. But I'll give you guys like my honest review of the car. I'm sure I'm gonna love it though, and I'm sure like after driving the Porsche, it's gonna make me wanna get the car even more. What else? Yeah, it's like a blessing. I feel very humbled to be able to do this experience, because I know like a lot of people aren't able to do and afford this experience, so this should be really fun. But I'll update you guys once I'm done, or like right before. I don't know, we'll see. Okay, so I just finished at the Porsche Experience Center of Los Angeles. I just wanted to give my recap because one, I couldn't bring in like a GoPro or like my camera into the car just for like safety reasons, but I just want to give my recap of it. As you guys know, my dream car is a GT3 and I hope to own it one day. Like after this experience, it made me want it like 100 times more. My instructor, his name was Derek, one of the chillest dudes, one of the nicest dudes. Like he was very like informative, helped me like learn about like how to properly drive a car like that. We're gonna start from the beginning. So I was driving a GT3. I had bucket seats, which is what I'd want for my Porsche if I were to spec it out. The bucket seats were actually pretty comfortable. Surprisingly, it was just like a pain in the ass to get in and out of the car. I was able to launch the car. He taught me how to like launch the car. Like holy shoot, like it's actually really really fast. I was surprised. I mean, not surprised, it's a Porsche, you know. But yeah, so I launched it, and then he taught me like how like effective those brakes are. I think it was the composite ones, I'm not too sure. I didn't like ask for like a whole spec sheet of the car. I was just excited to drive it. So he taught me how to launch it like properly and like use the brakes, and then I took it around the track. He taught me like how to like when to accelerate, when to like decelerate, or like basically like brake hard and things like that around the track. I'm not surprised, but I am surprised of how well the GT3 handled. I mean, I know a lot of people say that it is a driver's car, and I actually really like it. What else did I do? I drove around the track. I did the launch control. Oh yeah, so I drove on like this thing like black ice or like clay concrete, and it was like a thing to simulate hydroplaning and how to control the car. That thing was like, it was like really hard, and like I kind of like got the hang of it, but then again it was like pretty difficult. He showed me how it's supposed to go, and yeah, no, I still like, I need to like learn or like more practice on it. And then what else did I do? We did like this small little course, like we had to like accelerate really hard and then like brake, and then there was like a little like turn around, and then we had to like go through like cones and stuff to see how the car handled and stuff. Yeah, like again, I'm like really surprised on how well it handled. And then what else did we do? It was like 90 minutes, so there was a lot that happened that I probably like am forgetting on. But like I said, I really wish I could have brought in my camera or whatever. But yeah, after this experience, it made me want it like 100 times more. I told myself I'll pick up another job just to be able to afford it one day, and I'm just gonna start applying. And then I'm gonna be getting Poke. I can't really see it, you guys can't really see it, so I'll just bring you guys along with me. But yeah, like I'm extremely blessed for the life that I have. I just want to like say thank you to like my parents, like especially my mom and dad, and for all the sacrifices that they made just to like give me the life that I currently have and things like that. So I just want to say thank you. And surprise mom, I didn't really tell you about it just because I know you'd probably say it's kind of dumb because of the amount of money that I spent for this experience. But yeah, I'm trying to think of what else. I'm extremely grateful for Nina Helen for everything that she's done. I'm trying to think of what else. But yeah, I'm just gonna go get food right now, and I'll take you guys with me. I'm gonna be getting a place called Just Poke. It's in Redondo Beach, I think. And yeah. To the water because it's wet, and I didn't bring a towel, And here's today's lunch. Hopefully you guys can see it. Alright, I just finished eating the lunch. It was actually pretty good. I don't know if it was better than that other place that I went to. I forgot what city it is. It was like, I think something. It was in the previous one of the previous videos, like the original ones. But I'm gonna end the video here just cause like I'm gonna drive home, and I hope you guys enjoyed the view of where I ate. I ate right down by the beach. But once again, the place is called Just Poke. Yeah, I think 2 years I'll probably buy a Porsche. It'd be like a dream come true, to be honest. But I just want to say thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed today's video. Next week's video will be us finally mounting the wheels. I'm excited for you guys to finally see it. And if you guys aren't following my Instagram, I'll put it right down right here. But yeah, I just want to say hope you guys enjoyed today's video. Once again, thank you to Derek at the Porsche Experience. And yeah, I'm forever grateful for the experience that I've had. And basically why I made this YouTube is to like create more memories and stuff, so I can like look back in the future and see like the life I kind of live, sort of. Alright, hope you guys enjoy the video. See you guys in the next one. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.